Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Today's video, we're going to talk about becoming a VIP member of this exciting company called Heal. This high-ticket digital marketing company that's out here on the internet, and I want you to learn how you become a VIP member today. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget that bell notification when I do videos just like this. Let's go ahead and dive into the content about becoming a VIP member of Heal. Now, right now, as you see here and right below this video, I do have a link for you to go ahead and sign up and being a VIP member of Heal, this exciting, this healing company. This company is out here to help you. And I want to show you when you become a VIP member, what do you get? So right below this video, I do have a link for you to go ahead and check that out. So right now you see here is a dashboard, this beautiful color-coded dashboard that shows you when you go ahead and join what it looks like. Now, I've been with the company for a couple of days now, and I just want to share you my results of how many people I personally enrolled and the total earnings I've earned so far just in a few days. And check this out. 25,797 members is currently enrolled in terms of team members. So this company is growing fast. There's a lot of excitement going on, and I want you to be part of this excitement. But you got to become a VIP member, right? So let me go ahead and go here, how to become a VIP member of Heal. So right now, let me go ahead and go down. I'm going to go down here. So right here, the VIP Suitcase Coach. This is where you go ahead and activate to become a VIP member, and it's $49 per month. But let's go ahead and check out inside of it what it means. So I'm going to check out the access content right here. Access content right there. And when you become a member of the VIP Suitcase Coach, you're going to receive the information I'm about to show you right now. Now, what I really love about this is because it covers so many different things. So let's an example. The first thing it has, building your business, and it starts with the first video of Jim Rohn. So when you click on this video, it basically it goes right into the video of Jim Rohn, and basically right here, your electrifying story, the magic of part-time, and he talks about exactly what that is. I'll go ahead and play just a few minutes of it, exactly what you will go ahead and see. It's really cool because Jim Rohn, I follow Jim Rohn on a weekly basis, and he delivers awesome content, and you go ahead and get this right inside of being a VIP member. So that's it right there. Just play just a little bit of it. And this is also what you get. You also get the branding your colors. Now, he did a really good job of teaching you exactly why choosing certain colors really matters in your brand. So I have my colors as well. And I learned this strategy actually before this teaching. But when I went back over the teaching about branding colors, I got some ideas exactly how I'm going to present my colors when I go ahead and start building my business and continue my business, and will continue your business as well, or even start your business as well. Then you got the chemical closer, which talks about the importance of closing. Let me go ahead and close right there. The importance of closing and why it's important to go ahead and do that. I want to show you that right here. I'm going to play maybe a little bit of it. I don't know if you can hear this. And he talks about it. Now, this is Stephen Monson. This is the person behind, the brains behind this operation. It's actually it's two brothers, Stephen Monson, and he talks about exactly what the whole process of the closing, and he discussed in details why it's important, and why it's important for you to believe in yourself, and why it's important to brand yourself, why it's important for you to do videos and things like that, and all the eye contact I'm having with you right now, how it's important to brand and to close anything. And I'm going to go and continue here. So let me move. I'm going to move my video right here. And it's like the dollar in a dream. That video there was powerful. I remember watching this, and I really was touched because he really actually went deep explaining about having a dollar and a dream. And check this out. He said he had, let me go back over here. On January 21st, he had $1.71 in his bank account. Can you relate to that? I remember me having less than $5 in my bank account at one particular time. I can relate to this message. I'm sure you can relate to this of being broke, but being broke, having $1.71 in your bank account. Are you kidding me? Absolutely. I remember having less than $5 in my bank account. I think it was like $3.35. Actually, that was what it was, $3.35. And I didn't have any checks coming in at all. That's all I had for the rest of the month was $3.35. I do remember that. And I watched this video, and I want you guys to really understand this, is that this is powerful. This is a real story about somebody that literally had $1 in a dream and built this unbelievable company that you're discovering here today. And I just want to go ahead and go over you with this VIP suitcase coaching that you're going to get. You're going to get videos. You're going to get coaching. You're going to get knowledge, and you're going to get training. You're going to get a real story. So that's the next video that's part of the suite here. And if you go on out here, how to make money. I think I moved too fast. How to make money. You also have Secret Island Heal Family. That's really good. Welcome to Heal. So that basically talks about welcome to Heal, what it means to heal, what it means to be a part of something special. And here, right here, becoming a Heal VIP, he talks about the importance of becoming a VIP person. So that's powerful, because I remember when watching his videos, I remember finding him on Facebook, and I remember watching some of the things that he did and described in there. I could really relate to that, because his story kind of relates to things I kind of been through as well, in terms of being broke, $1.71. My story was $3.35, but I can relate to exactly being down and depressed and basically never giving up, following his dream, and building something that's special that you're seeing right now. So I'm going to move my picture here again. And here you go. Discover Heal. You get also timestamp 1. I think I skipped one. Get the Bali Villa timestamp promotion. And you get all the Heal VIP bridge. And you get branding tips, setting your goals, and sharing your story. It's so important to share your story, guys, because people want to know who you are. Like my video right here, how I am, I'm Adam Shelton, and I'm proud to be here, and I'm proud to be part of this company, Heal, and I just want to share you exactly what it means to be part of something special with my energy and my attention right now to you by becoming a Suitcase Coach VIP member. Once again, right below this video here, I do have a link for you. Go ahead and take advantage of that today, because that price is not going to stay very long. It ain't going to stay very long. It's $49 now, but it's going to go up. So you definitely want to take advantage of this today. So, and the next thing here is, let me move my video here, is the VIP health. Now, I really like about this because your health is so important. It's not just about building a business. It's about making sure you're doing the proper things of having a good, healthy lifestyle, right? Because once you build a business, then you need to be healthy, right? You want to enjoy the benefits of having a business. You want to enjoy the benefits that's going to do to you and your family and setting up a legacy. And he talks about it. He talks about the importance of health, like earthing, meditating on love, motivation to build your brand, build who you are. Who are you? Build who you are, hydrate your body. Food is medicine. The right food is medicine. Self-awareness of yourself, knowing who you are, being comfortable who you are, and taking the right steps, because this training can be really good for you, especially if you're needing guidance of understanding who you are. The next thing is VIP motivation. Now, let me go back over here. Now, a dollar in a dream, when we talked about that earlier, the dollar in a dream, when we're talking about business to business, but this, he actually goes back over a dollar in a dream. Let me just close it here. And let me see if it's anything different. Let me look here. Health stories. It's the same thing. Stephen Monson, a world traveler. He's a world traveler, but he is an inspiration. He is somebody like you want to follow and be a part of. And I like the fact that this whole VIP coaching is not just about building a business. It's about building who you are and what you're going to represent. Your brand, yourself, a legacy. Building a business, your health, your fitness, your motivation. And that's what this is all about by being a VIP coach. And you get all the coaching and the training right through here. So let me go ahead and go close this right here. And then mindset. Mindset is so many different things, because when you have a powerful mind, when you're working on that mind of yours, then all of a sudden things start to come in place. They start to become in place because you got a powerful mind. And he starts here by saying, be the cure, be the change, and the magic of part-time. Jim Rome comes back again. And those are powerful as well, though, because you want to be the change, right? This whole company that came about, it started about 5 years ago. I did some research. It started back in 2013, but it didn't get launched in 2014. And it just passed like less than 35 days. They relaunched these offers and these opportunities that you're seeing here. But the company's been in the works for the last 5 years. It's been around for 5 years, but just recently they're relaunching all these products and services that you're seeing here. And this is based over time. And so you're seeing the mindset, because he had a powerful mindset to be able to build something like that. Personal growth, absolutely. Be the change, of course. Magic of part-time, earthing, and the strangest secret. You definitely want to check this out, because check it out. The strangest secret, how to live the life you desire. You should go ahead right now, understanding what do you want out of life and what do you desire, right? What do you want to accomplish? When you become a VIP member, once again, I got a link right below this video. There's a link there to become a VIP member today. Go ahead and take advantage of that today. But after you become a VIP member, then what's next? What do you want to accomplish now? Do you want to go ahead and start building a business? Of course you can do that, because everything's in place for you to go ahead and start doing that. Absolutely. So here you go. The next thing is communities. Community is so important. Community aspect is good because it's all about coming together. It's about learning from each other. And it's about taking action on things you're learning about. And right here, he talks about testimonials. We'll talk about here. He's talked about here, and he talks about heal. He talks about the testimonials. There's 3 testimonials that he's discussing with other people. Actually, 4 testimonials right there. So the community aspect is about people. It's about giving value. It's about understanding content. It's about learn, do, teach that my mentors taught me, and I'm going to teach you right now. Learn, do, teach. Be around positive people that's doing special things each and every single day. And that's all you get with it. Actually, there's one more thing, but there's more, right? You also get access to a VIP Facebook group. So you click on there. I'm going to go ahead and go right to the Facebook group, and you access to this Heal VIP group that's very, very private and special among members, because they post information on an everyday basis, welcoming new members that you see here. There's another members being welcomed. And here's something that he just posted not that long ago about building a better life. It's going to be challenging. You will have to change your circles to transform your mind and break the old bad habits. So that's something that the owner, Stephen Monson, that posted about really never giving up. He said, don't give up no matter what. Your story of struggles is your wealth. Just like you're going to get in this whole package here, you're going to get the understanding exactly what it means to build a business, your community feel, our personal growth, VIP mindset, motivation, and more importantly, just as importantly, is getting your health. So when you become a VIP member, you get this whole package you see here, and you be access to a VIP group on an everyday basis that you can get value from. The VIP group is $49 per month. It's on special right now. It's on a discount. And let me go back over here. Right, it's on a discount right now. So you'll go ahead and you activate it, and it's $49 a month. You'll go ahead and access to the training, and you'll go ahead and start learning about who you are and start learning how to build a business here. So that's all I got here, guys. We're just talking about the VIP coaching. I'm going to do another video about the other products as well, but I want to start out with that because that's one of the first things you're going to need to go ahead and do in terms of getting with Heal. That's going to be one of the first things you do. You want to go ahead and sign up and become a VIP member of Heal because it's powerful. And check it out. Total team members just grew just a few minutes by doing this video. 25,837. It's growing now. The movement is here, and I'm just ready for you to go ahead and click on the link below for you to be part of this movement. Click on the link below, become a VIP member, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night, everybody.